This is the Arrowhead Brass PK7026 freeze-proof check assembly for the Arrowhead Brass 470 series. Now, the package will come with a short little list of installation instructions here on the back, as well as the check assembly in here as well. This is like a hard rubber material for the check assembly itself. We can go ahead and take a couple measurements of it. Get a total height. You can see it measures right at about 2 1/4 inches. And let's see, we can also get a measurement. We can get a measurement down here as well, just on the outside diameter. So it's right above 1/2 inch. And yeah, once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK7026 check assembly.